Yeah. So my name is Smriti. I graduated in 2014 with a BTech in Material Science. Okay. So yeah, in my BTech, I just had one course in coding, and that I barely managed to pass. Okay. So I did not like coding as such. But in 2017, I decided that I want to learn coding because I want to build a product and solve some problem for the society. But so yeah, that's my background. So yeah, and between 2014 to 2017, I was in financial services, you can say. And in that, all the coding that I did was only copy pasting. So just for loops and copy pasting, that's it. So that's my background. So for example, you have an MS first of all, but it's very costly, and it takes your 2 years, and it takes your 9 months plus 2 years to actually do that course, because you have to decide beforehand. Okay. So I was not, I just wanted to do this then and there. So that is why I knew that I want to join a boot camp. Now, which boot camp? So for example, there were other boot camps also, but they did not take in the students who were a graduate of 2017, for example. Okay. So that is why I had to join Attainu. That was the only option I had. Okay. So then, and so that is there. Then there was no upfront payment at all. So if you get a job, you pay the fee. So I was fine with it. Okay. And because I had to learn a lot, I knew that. So I knew that I'll have to dig deeper into JavaScript or React or HTML or CSS for the next couple of months. So why not take help from others also? For example, with Attainu, you can, or Attainu or any boot camp, you can discuss with your peers, or you can discuss with your teachers, professors. Okay. So that's something that is there. And because this learning, so switching from one career option to another, it's a very lonely journey. So, and I realized it because I wanted to really learn the coding thing really bad. I used to tag people on Twitter. Okay. So I'm telling you that I was really keen to learn, but then you need the right guidance. You need right set of resources, for example. And because you have no background in CS and you have no one to help you, you need something that can give you that. And for example, there are courses on Udemy. So I took some of them as well. But the problem with them was that the instructor doesn't reply to your doubts, or you get replies after maybe 10 days. Okay. And you have to struggle a lot to actually understand something, because you cannot ask others. Okay. Or if you ask, you don't get the replies, or you don't get the answers. So for example, the journey is slow. Surely. For example, we used to get daily assignments and coding challenges. Okay. Through those coding challenges, so in the beginning, you will see them to be very easy, but you learn something new with every coding challenge and every assignment you do. Okay. And I used to note them down, the things that I would learn. Okay. So that is how you learn. So if you do only 1 or 2 assignments on CSS, you learn a lot about CSS that is not taught in basic CSS classes, for example. Okay. So that was first. Second thing was that I would ask my doubts in the lectures itself. So you have to gather that courage to actually ask the question in the lectures, because people want, the teacher that is teaching you actually wants you to ask the questions. Okay. So you should ask the questions irrespective of how much you know, and it might be a silly question. Okay. And the third thing is that the resources. So I got the right resources. For example, if I wanted to go in depth into any of the topics, I would know that these are the right resources. And so these are the 3 things that I think were the best in Attainu. And actually their placement process was also really good. I learned a lot through that. So okay, about the placements. Okay, so they give you a lot of modules with a lot of questions, and you have to research those questions and get the answers. Okay. So you have the basic knowledge of JavaScript, React, HTML, CSS. Okay. Now you go from basic to intermediate through those modules. Okay. So in this process, so I'm telling you, in this process, you get to learn the basics very clearly. For example, if we talk about closures, for example, I got what closures were in the 5th time I read about closures. Okay, so you have to read again and again if you don't get it, and research more, read more articles, for example. So that is what I did during the placement process, and that really helped me, because in the interview I was asked these basic questions and I was able to explain these basic questions very well. Okay, so that's it.